Hey everybody, in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play Search and Destroy by Iggy and the Stooges. This is off of the Raw Power record. It's, if I had to pick one, this is probably my favorite song of all time, and it's super fun to play. But before we get started, remember to like this video and subscribe for more videos. I'll be posting new lessons every week. And here we go. Alright, so the first part starts off in a C sharp and it goes like this. It's mostly downstrokes, which is, I feel like, has a really cool sound. And then the second part is has some palm mutes. So you're going to palm mute the C sharp, and then the E's open, and then you're going to palm mute the A, and the B's open, and then it goes back to the first part. And that's pretty much it for that first part. So the next part's a little tricky, so after you've done the palm mutes, then you're going to do this kind of descending part. And so it starts out like... So slowly that's... So I mean, that's something that is a little tricky. You're going to probably have to go through that a bunch of times slowly and just work on speeding up on that. And then, so the next part starts here. Slowly. Alright, so this last part, he plays a C sharp. He's also going to add this G sharp root by bridging his index finger onto the E string, and it gives it this cool tone. It's a cool sound. So when you move to that second chord, you're going to move to an actual G sharp power chord, but and how you do that is you just move your ring finger sharp power chord position. So slowly it's... So slowly again. Forgot to mention too that so when you go down to the B, you're gonna do that bridge again too. So remember to like this video and subscribe for more videos. I'll be posting videos every week, and I'm gonna come back soon with another video on this song showing you how to play the leads. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe so that you don't miss it.